Welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. God, it's so good to be home. I'm so excited to bring you some new noodle recipes like today. So just like the viral TikTok recipe that went crazy back in 2020, I'm doing my own personal spin on it with my boursin pasta hack. You combine your favorite flavor of boursin cheese, you got some nice assorted grape tomatoes, any kind of green leafy herb, pasta, and a couple other aromatic things that I know you're just gonna love. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, this is pretty easy. Here are all the ingredients. We're gonna start with about a pint and a bit of cherry tomatoes, some parsley, some boursin cheese, a little parmesan cheese as well, not displayed, 1 pound of pasta. I'm gonna use 6 cloves of garlic, some red hot chili peppers, and then some leftover cooked bacon. I have about 5 strips, handful of spinach, and then some old arugula there, and an onion. So we're gonna slice those onions up. We're gonna add some tomatoes and those onions into a dry pan, as well as our red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to season. Our garlic cloves are going in whole, a little bit of za'atar or thyme, and then a nice glug of olive oil. We're gonna toss that in together and then make a little divot and add our boursin cheese in there. Pop into the oven for 400 degrees and cook until the tomatoes are bursting. Chop up the bacon and then throw that onto the pan over about medium. Add that into the pan and then add our spinach and arugula in. I'm using fresh pasta, but you could use dried. It's 1 pound going to a pot of salted boiling water. Get 1 ladle of that starchy pasta water. Add it to our sauce, turn off the heat, and toss together. We're gonna go ahead and add a bit of Parmesan cheese to help thicken it up, and then end with our parsley here. Look how good this looks. Yum! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!